par.
Harry got some new wheels. He actually went through like what, 4 sets of wheels. We don't put this car on the channel much.
This is like my 5th set, honestly.
5th set. So these are the wheels Harry has on now. They're like stock Audi wheels, which are like primed, or like they're, what are you, sprayed? Primered?
I don't know. That's how I got them.
They're just really ugly, and they're just like some temp wheels.
No, I like them. I think they're good.
Yeah.
These are my final wheels. This is my finished build right here.
Harry's car also underwent a wrap.
I got it wrapped, and the kid who did it did a really crappy job, and he kind of broke some things, so it just looks really ugly right now. Like down here, I didn't feel like taking off the front lip yet. I'm getting the front bumper repainted. As you can see, there's like nasty spots on it, and like he broke some clips and stuff. That was my fault.
This car was wrapped white. If you guys saw it on the Instagram, the people who wrapped Harry's car, they also broke the door handle in the back.
It flew off on the highway, which was pretty sick.
There's just small stuff on this car that they kind of messed up, but Harry's getting it redone by Crucial Wraps. He did get some Alzors from ECS.
I didn't want to go Alzors, but like I'm not buying 3-piece wheels for this car. I'm not spending $3 grand on wheels. It's just a Volkswagen. It doesn't actually matter.
These are the exact same wheels I had on my Mark IV, guys. If you guys remember the black Giolot. It's gone now. That car will be missed, boys. Out from the chat.
Ooh, what'd I get? Did I win?
Is it upside down?
Am I doing good? Is this good?
Yeah. Yes, it's upside down. Great, dude. Now you have to unbox this other one now.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. Well, I gotta take them all out anyway. Got the wheel here. And women, probably like 0.2% of our viewers. It's pretty freaking gay, but it'll do. It'll look good. Nobody really yells at you for reps, so don't worry about getting reps. Only people that don't own a car and can't afford real wheels anyway, those are the people that'll rush you, like Sam. Tracy, I'm taking your car without your permission, but I know you don't care because you love me.
By the way, guys, that's Harry's daily right there.
Somebody hit me up and buy it.
After 30 minutes of cleaning out the car, we finally managed to take everything out here, so now the tires can fit. Guys, if you want to buy Harry's A4,
it's pretty mint. I just need to replace a bolt on the coil and a new battery, and it works completely fine.
guys, she's very slammed.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
she's talking hard. Talking very hard.
There it is, boys. We opened it right this time. It's like opening a bag of chips from the bottom. Like, it just doesn't work. Are we ready, boys? $560 worth of wheel.
Not too shabby.
We're getting prime content right now, Lou, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
I would watch this.
If you guys are curious what the specs are, because I know someone's gonna ask.
8.5 by 18 and 35 offset.
Alright, boys, you heard that here.
Ooh.
I'm finding some curb rash on here.
What?
Finding curb rash.
Actually?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Continue, please.
Never think it can't happen. It can happen!
Wait, what can happen again?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, boys, that's kind of a disappointment.
Yeah, fart.
Alright, boys. Tire Consultants in Ephrata. Let's bounce. So we just dropped off the wheels and tires at Tire Consultants. They'll call when they're done.
I can use crappy torque wrench though.
Just don't torque on that.
Until it's done raining?
Yeah. Here are Harry's gay wheels. When you get 8.5s.
Should I go off on Steve in the video? There's still film on some of these. I don't know which ones they are though. Ah! It's not even worth running. I'm gonna hurt you. Bring the socket! Blue boy.
My car's in here getting nice and dry. Look guys, Harry's working on his car.
I'm gonna buy a new set of these, by the way. No!
So here's Harry's new wheels. They're Alzor
We
style
already did unboxing and everything.
style 881s.
We already
My
did
ESRs are cooler because my lip's bigger.
This ride height?
Yeah, that's your ride height.
It looks good, I like it. Especially cold, eh? If any ladies are watching, you're welcome.
Keep doing it, I gotta get it for the snap.
I got a fart. I'm not cold at all. I'm fine. Fine. I still have to put my lip on too.
All right,
We
boys.
have to have a group conversation.
Ah, thin air out the whole way. Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
You're lower than me in the front. Not the back though.
Oh, the back though is gonna be a monster truck. I like how the rims literally slowed down so much.
What's up?
6.2, right? That'll make it look so much better.
Do they make those for Mark 6?
I don't know. I've never looked at them yet. Avoid it, but like, he just comes at me right away. He literally just came right at me. Check out some ride heights.
What's that? What was that?
Truck.
White?
It was like maroon.
Wait, do they have black wheels? Oh,
I didn't see that much. I think so, yeah.
My wheels. I had to torque my wheels, little boy.